So what do you need to do? If you're in an enablement or you are, maybe you're new to the industry you're in, even though you have a professional sales background, establishing credibility is my first key here. And what that looks like, and what that looked like for me in the organization, is a lot of windshield time, a lot of plane rides to the middle of nowhere, Karijas jungle. Is that plane gonna stop before the end of the runway? Some sketchy situations. Mines are dirty places, right? So getting your full PPE, all your gear, your safety stuff, get your own boots, bring your own hard hat, right, in our situation. You gotta get out in the field. And why that's important is through those ride-alongs, and I probably don't need to tell any of you this, that valuable windshield time with your sellers, 5 hours in the truck to go to a 1-hour meeting at a mine and 5 hours back. Imagine the conversations that can happen and the pain that you can uncover in your own organization by spending that time. It's also about learning more about the people and the culture. You know, what makes them tick? What is their day like? This all is going to come into play as you start building your narrative, which I'll come to momentarily. It was also important for me to understand the mining industry. Who are the top customers we serve? What are those metrics that matter to them? What are their top goals? And by the way, what are our competitors doing and saying? Because whatever our competitors are saying, we don't want to be saying that, right? So this was important to establish that credibility.